In this video, I will take the brakes apart on my 79 Porsche 928. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to another GoForIt video. In today's video, I will start to take care of the brake system on my 79 Porsche 928. What we'll do now, and because we will need to flush all the oil out and put new fluid in, I will replace these flexible lines that they are in a bad shape. So these lines will go out. All the system will be empty. So I will take the brake calipers apart and check the status of the piston, the seal, and the dust rubber. So for sure, the seal and the dust cover will be replaced. The piston, it will depend on how it is. The caliper itself will be sandblasted, and probably I will powder coat them on the original color. I think it's gray. If not, please correct me, comment below, and if you know what is the color, please let me know right now, and it will help me a lot, because this will be just powder coated on the next video. So for now, let's start by removing the brake fluid, and then we can start to dismantle all the 4 brake calipers, take the rotors out, and also these weather covers. I will also want to clean them and powder coat them, but I don't know if I will do it right now or when I take care of the bearings on the hubs. Let's start by removing all the 4 wheels. So now we start on the rear right corner, because it's the longest line to the brake reservoir. So this is the longest line, and we put the 7mm wrench here on the bleeder. I will now connect my vacuum bleeder there. Nice. I will open it, and I will start to apply the air. And the oil is already coming on the line. I think I will need to open it more. I need to put the wrench like this. Look at this, all this nasty oil. It should be crystal clear, and it is look like gold. It's really in a really bad shape. So let's take all the oil out. So we have now the first line drained, and the container is almost full. I will show you in a moment how nasty it looks. Let me just take this guy away from here. Now guys, just check it, how old and nasty this is. This don't look like brake fluid at all. So the longest line, it's drained now. Let's empty this one and take the all 3 calipers, empty them, take all the remaining oil out, and then we will have an empty system ready to put the new flex lines and to fill it with the new oil. We have now the system drained, so we can start to take apart the brake caliper. I will start to remove the wire for the brake pad sensor. Then I will take the flex line from the brake caliper, because the flex line will be changed, and then I will unbolt the brake caliper and take it away. So the spring is out. This is now free. So now I have all the unit here, because the hose is already loose. I can finish to take it away. Some remaining brake fluid in the line, so I will just push it up right now and leave it hanging there. So this is ready to install the new one. Now just go to the other side and repeat the process. Now on this side I had a huge problem. The nut that holds the brake caliper, the bottom one, snapped from the guard. So I had to hit it, and I was able to remove it, but now that needs to be repaired. This side I will take the brake rotor out. I just took the two Philip bolts from here. The other side I could not remove them, they are trapped. I need to get a special tool for this. But in this side they came out really easy. And now it's a matter of tapping the rotor and rotate them, and he will come out. So be gentle, don't hit it too hard, it's just to make it vibrate and break loose from some old rust that it can have here inside. So here we have the brake rotor. So as you can see here, this part is damaged. The nut broke off from here, and I had to push this to the side in order to be able to get the wrench from the middle of the brake caliper to be able to hold it and take it away. I was not expecting for these nuts to be just held by this. In fact, I was hoping that the thread was in here on this part, on the support of the hub. It's not, it's on these guys. So this one is pretty damaged now. Let's see if I can source a new one to replace this and get the hold points. If not, I have to make a special part to put here to hold both of the nuts. Now in the rear the process is roughly the same. I will try to break loose the hose from here, so to untie. Okay, so it's undone. Now I will remove this retaining clip, the spring that holds the brake pads. So the retaining clip, it's in this position with these small tabs in. Now that all this part is free, I can remove the brake caliper itself. The top one. Okay, the top one, it's out. The bottom one, now that the brake caliper is free, we can take it from the rotor and from the hose that we broke free first. Now in this side we don't have already the two bolts, so we just need to tap the disc and it is already free. Now the rear disc, it's also the handbrake. Okay, So we have here the brake shoes. They are pretty good. So all this system will be clean, lubed, and for sure I will pass some sandpaper on the brake shoes to ensure that when we reassemble they are nice and clean, and then we can fine-tune the handbrake. So guys, I will end this video here. So we have now all the brake calipers out. We have 3 of the rotors out. The front right one, it's stuck in. I need a special tool to remove it, but it's just to take off the 2 bolts and remove the disc. It's nothing different from the rest. So in the next video, I hope I will already have the new flex lines to put in, and probably we will sandblast and prepare the brake calipers to be powder coated, and then rebuild with the new kits, with the seals and the dust rubbers and all that good stuff. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Just subscribe and activate the notifications. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and share it on your social networks. See you on the next one. Bye.